guys, welcome into my YouTube channel. This is MUA Shay. I'm going to be doing this get ready with me. I already cornrowed my hair and I'm going to be starting by putting on my cap for my lace. Make sure everything is covered. Then get this got-to-be glue and apply it on my hairline. Mind you, it's cold, so yeah. Next, we get our blow dryer and make sure it is dry. I usually put it on a low heat or medium. Then we get our eyebrow scissors and cut all of the excess off. And yeah, I cut my own hair on accident, okay? Applying this, I already washed the hair and I'm going, hey, look at me, look at me, look at me. Okay, yeah, so let's cut the part above the ear to make it a little bit more natural. And then I start by plucking and shedding off the excess hair that makes it look too much. This right here is a little bit of the glue. And I'll probably never use that glue again because it is oh so messy. I'm parting it to make me a little bit of edges, but also make it more seamlessly so it doesn't look like I am Mufasa. So yeah, this is my first hair thingy, okay? So bear with me. I'm really excited. I'm testing it out. I wore it for a couple days before the actual photo shoot. And I'm satisfied with this look. And that's the total outcome. So if y'all want to learn how I do the makeup part, stay with me. Put my green eye contacts in. Started with my e.l.f. moisturizer, kaboom kaboom. Then with my NARS primer, make sure my face is all smooth. Get this Fierce by Nature Morphe palette, get a dark brown, and start filling in my brows. I'm going for a more natural look because this is a photo shoot that does have a lot of color in my outfit, but I want to make sure that my face pops too, but not too much. Just want to make sure it looks very enhanced. This peach concealer is from Too Faced, and I'm going to be using a little bit of the Juvia's concealer of a lighter shade for consistency and apply it under and over the brow. As you notice, I'm changing a whole lot of things. I'm making things a lot different so I can have different looks and so I can switch it up. Make sure everything is a little bit more crisp. Blend that out nice and smooth with your blending brush. And I also feather in the front of it so I can make it more natural. This right here makes a better concealer because it moves easier. It's just some Juvia's foundation. This is our perfect peach translucent powder. I stopped using Kat Von D. It's nothing bad with it. It's just peach matches with peach. Then I'm going to apply this peach color with my Morphe brush and pat it in my crease and also a little bit towards the brow bone. Get a cream color, apply it on the inner corner. There we go. And our orange. Just gonna loosely put it on the lid. Eventually you're gonna blend it out, but just loosely apply it to get that pigment nice and rich. You see that part? That's that part I was talking about. Get a little bit of brown and a darker brown and a flat brush and apply it on the, I would say where you put the eyeliner is. Yeah. These right here are the wispy lashes, so they make it look more natural but full at the same time with spacing. My foundation I always mix, so there's really no point of telling you which color it is. I just go and match it myself, and yeah. Concealer, kaboom kaboom, easy easy. Apply it under the eye, then blend it out. I use a foundation brush because it makes it a little bit more blended. Then I'll go ahead with my more highlight and contour kit. This right here for Sephora, I'm about to buy a new one because I'm almost out. Bake under the eyelids, then use my peach glow. I just bought that, so definitely I'm going to be using it with the peach stuff. You get it? Two face lip glosses, I'm in love with them. I got two, mix them together, a little bit of eyeliner under the eyes, make a pop, and mascara. Bake under the contour. Yeah, that part's my favorite part too. And voila, that's my look. So yeah, we out here in the trenches in Fayetteville, North Carolina, and I have to go and make my shoes. Got my little bag ready. Got Charles, aka Top Tier Models, over here setting up. Don't bother him.
Extracurricular activity going on in the background. Yep.
My backup lip glosses just in case. And then freaking this right here is the Glow with Shimmer. I'm going to be using this on my body. It has like little golden flakes and it smells like sunscreen because it is. These are my heels that I'm going to be using.
Yeah.
It's the pearlescent Riot Red paint that I'm going to be putting on my shoes. Hey.
Oh yeah, one thing you always put jewelry on that.
Oh shit. At one point in time I did try to do edges, and then I just realized you're supposed to wet these things first. Try to use the other side, just did not work. So I was like, fuck it. You know what?